Hey everyone, this is Whit with Whit's Tutoring Group here with another short tutoring video. We have an old video talking about significant figures and how to identify how many significant figures there are in a particular number. Now we get to use that concept and apply it to our math. So we have our first rule, and it's whenever you're adding or subtracting numbers and how to obey the sig fig rules. So for adding and subtracting, we need to round to the less precise decimal place. And let me explain or give an example of that. Let's say we have 280.1 plus 15.385. Now, if we plug this into our calculator, we would get 295.485. Now that's not necessarily correct when it comes to sig figs. You see how this number is not that accurate, or it's definitely not as precise as the other numbers. So we need to keep with our accuracy in this case. It would be a little misleading to present it with that many significant figures. So what we do is we know we are certain to the tenths place. It's the less precise decimal place. So that is why when we record this number properly, we would only say that's 295.5. We rounded to the less precise decimal place. All right, now let's talk about the rule for multiplying or dividing. And this one, we round to the less precise sig fig. This is where we really come into those sig fig rules. So let's say we have 13.0 times 47. If we plug that into our calculator, we get 611. Now, we can't really record that answer with that much accuracy. Let's talk about why. This number has 3 sig figs. Remember, when a trailing 0 is after the decimal, it counts as significant. This only has 2 sig figs. So our answer must be rounded to 2 sig figs. In that case, it's right there. So the answer would truly be this if we were recording it and obeying the rules of significant figures. It's important that you know this because many labs and exams will expect you to report your answers with correct sig figs. If this video was helpful or you enjoyed it all, please share it with friends, and I look forward to sharing another tutoring tidbit soon. Thank you.